What if I told you that one of Japan's smallest cars now looks like a mini sports car inspired by the legendary Honda Civic Type R? Yes, Honda has just revealed exciting new factory accessories for the updated Honda N-Box, and these upgrades completely transform the look of this tiny K car without changing its engine. In today's video, we will explore the new sporty style package, the rugged active leisure style, the classy modern casual style, interior upgrades, engine details, pricing, and why this tiny Honda continues to dominate the Japanese market. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because some of these accessories are surprisingly premium. Let's get started. Honda's official accessories division, Honda Access, has introduced an all-new sporty style package specially designed for the Honda N-Box Custom. At first glance, the front design becomes much more aggressive. The large front grille now receives a premium trim finished in colors matching the vehicle body, including platinum white pearl, crystal black pearl, and meteoroid gray metallic. The lower grille garnish comes finished in Berlina black, giving the front bumper a sharper appearance. But the biggest highlight is the use of bright frame red accents inspired directly by the Honda Civic Type R. The mirror caps receive red detailing. The sporty graphics on the body also use the same signature red color. These simple additions completely change the personality of the N-Box. Instead of looking like a family K-van, it now carries the attitude of a compact performance hatchback. New alloy wheels with special technology. Honda Access has also developed an all-new set of 15-inch alloy wheels. These are not just ordinary wheels made for appearance. Honda says the engineers used knowledge gained from the famous Modulo X performance models while designing them. According to Honda, the balance between the spokes and the rim has been specially tuned. This allows the wheel to flex slightly under load. The result is improved ride comfort while also helping handling stability. It is an interesting engineering approach because the wheel itself becomes part of the suspension system. That means buyers receive both style and better driving comfort together. Active Leisure Style. The second package is called Active Leisure Style. This version has been created for customers who enjoy camping, outdoor adventures, and weekend road trips. The grille receives bold Honda lettering. Yellow and orange decals make the vehicle look adventurous. There are stylish two-color fog lights. A sporty rear spoiler is also included. The fuel lid receives a decorative garnish. The tailgate gets black trim. Finally, Berlina black alloy wheels complete the rugged design. This package gives the little Honda the appearance of a much larger adventure vehicle. Modern casual style. For buyers who prefer elegance over sportiness, Honda Access also offers the modern casual style package. This version focuses on premium styling. Copper-colored decals create a sophisticated appearance. Matching copper mirror caps add extra elegance. The fog lamp surrounds receive platinum white pearl trim. Beautiful white alloy wheels provide a clean and stylish finish. Inside the cabin, buyers also receive wood-style floor mats that create a warm and luxurious atmosphere. It is clear Honda wants every type of customer to find a style that suits their personality. Interior upgrades. The improvements continue inside the cabin. Honda Access offers a roof-mounted storage console. Interestingly, it includes 2 built-in tissue box holders, something that many Japanese families appreciate. There is also a retractable sunshade for additional comfort during sunny days. Technology lovers can choose an 8-inch infotainment display. Rear passengers can enjoy a massive 12.8-inch entertainment monitor. Honda also offers a premium sound system. For added safety, front and rear dash cameras are available. LED ambient lighting enhances the cabin during night driving. Even the floor mats receive antibacterial and odor-resistant treatment, keeping the interior cleaner for a longer time. Engine and performance. Despite all these exciting upgrades, Honda has not changed the mechanical package. The refreshed Honda N-Box continues with a 660 cubic centimeter naturally aspirated 3-cylinder petrol engine, producing 58 horsepower. Customers wanting extra performance can choose the turbocharged version. This engine delivers up to 63 horsepower. Transmission duties are handled by a continuously variable automatic transmission. Buyers can select either front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive depending on their needs. While the numbers may appear small, They perfectly suit Japan's K-car regulations, offering excellent fuel efficiency and easy city driving. The refreshed Honda N-Box has already gone on sale in Japan. Prices start from approximately 1,739,100 Japanese yen. The top model costs around 2,475,000 Japanese yen. That translates to roughly $10,800 to $15,400, depending on the selected variant and accessories. Considering the amount of customization available directly from Honda, the pricing remains competitive. Why is this important? The Honda N-Box has been one of Japan's best-selling vehicles for years. Instead of launching an entirely new generation, Honda has focused on making the existing model even more attractive through factory-designed accessories. This strategy gives customers more personalization while maintaining Honda's legendary reliability and practicality. Whether someone wants a sporty city car, an adventure-ready mini vehicle, or a premium urban commuter, Honda now offers a factory solution. That flexibility is one of the biggest reasons behind the N-Box's continued success. So what do you think about the updated Honda N-Box and its new factory accessories? Do you like the aggressive sporty style inspired by the Civic Type R, the adventurous active leisure style, or the elegant modern casual style? Tell us your favorite package in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MG Autos. Press the bell icon so you never miss the latest global automobile news. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.